Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your Facebook verification code in America in 2026. So if you're not receiving the code, or it's not showing up on your phone or email, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure your phone has a stable network. A weak signal or no internet can delay or block verification codes from arriving. Next, check your spam or blocked messages folder. So sometimes verification codes get filtered and don't show in your main inbox. If you didn't receive it, wait a few minutes and request a new code. Sending too many requests quickly can delay delivery. Sometimes the code is sent to your email instead. Check your inbox, spam, and promotions tab carefully. VPNs or unstable networks can block code delivery. So turn off VPN or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and try again. If you still can't get the code, try logging in from a trusted device. Facebook may allow you to confirm your identity without SMS in some cases. And that's how to recover your Facebook verification code in America in 2026. Once you check your network, spam folder, and request the code properly, you should be able to log in again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Facebook recovery tutorials. Hey,